In this guide, we'll show you how to delete and uninstall programs and apps in Windows 11. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, open Settings. To do this, click the Windows icon at the bottom of your screen and select Settings. If you don't see it there, click on the search bar and type Settings to find it. Once Settings is open, go to the left-hand side and click on Apps. Then select Installed Apps at the top. It may take a moment for all your apps to load. Once they do, you can find the app you want to uninstall by scrolling, using the search bar, or applying filters and categories. When you find the app you want to remove, click the three dots on the right-hand side and select Uninstall. You'll need to confirm by clicking Uninstall again. The uninstallation process can vary depending on the app. Some apps will uninstall instantly, while others may open a setup wizard where you'll need to follow a few extra steps. For example, one app might uninstall immediately, while another may ask you to confirm again in a separate window before completing the process. Once the process is finished, the app will be removed from your system. That's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more guides.